Hi all, let's see how to draw horse using point concept. Horse is standing, running and lay down just to get a small nap. This is standing, this is like running fast, and this is lay down on a grass to get a small nap. Let's start. 1, 2, that is up, down, left, right. Then middle point 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's connect the points. Before that, up, down, left, right, another set of points. Now let's connect the points. Circle, then another one circle using curves, then inner curve, again inner curve, or a straight line. Just draw a straight line. This is for a nose. Just give a small spiral. This is hair and eyes. Then ears. Now up, down, left, right. Then again, after a distance, just keep up, down, left, right. Now down 1 point, straight to that point. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Then straight to the point. Again 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's connect the points. One more circle. The other one circle. Okay, now inner curve. Just connect the two circles using inner curve. Inner curve again. Just connect the two circles using inner curve. Now straight line. Just small inner curve. Connect the points. And this is for again. This is for legs. So horse is standing. Okay. Just give a small shape. Now let's draw the horse tail. Start from this point. Just give a small curve and connect like this. Now again, hair. Just connect with the curve. That's it. So horse is standing on the grass. Let's color the horse. You can see the horses standing on the grass. It's very easy. Using point concept, we can draw the horse. Now you can see the outline part, how I have removed the curves. These part has to be erased. The outline can be given as shown. Now let's see the horse running. The same thing, just connect the points using two circles, small circle and a big circle. Connect like this. The same as shown previously. Up, down, left, right. Then again up, down. Left point is already there. Right. Then up, down, left, right. Okay. Then connect the points using circle. Using curves. It shows like a circle. Connect it. Now keep 1 point in between these 2 points and straight to this point 1 point. Now again straight to that point, keep 1 dot, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6. Then straight to this 1, 2, 3. Keep dots as shown. Now let's draw the legs. In this between these 2 points, keep 1 point. Center to the 2 points. Now draw a square. 2 squares, 1 triangle. Okay. Now connect, connect, connect it, connect, using curve, connect it, connect it, connect it. Now again connect these 2 points. Now in between these 2 points, keep 1 point straight to that above point. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just repeat 1, 2, 3. Same set of points, 2 squares, but the triangle part will not come in the back portion. Only 2 squares. Now simply connect it. Connect. Connect as shown. Connect it. Connect. Connect these 2 points. Just connect as shown. Now let's draw the tail portion. So as the horse is running, the tail portion and the hair portion must be like a shown, like it's flying. The hair is flying in the wind, and the wind, for the wind you can just draw 2 lines like it is running, and this portion where the grass has to be drawn, like you have to give a small gap. So there must be a small gap for the horse to show it is running, and there must be a line. Now let's color. I'm using crayons to color. Now you can see in this portion I have left the circle portion. You can see how I am giving the outer line. I am not giving the outer line completely. You can see the outer line is more important. Just shade it. Okay. Now here you can see that this circle portion, I have left the circle portion and I have given the outer line. So it shows like the horse is running. Now let's see how the horse lay down. The front portion is same as the previous one. First 5 points, then 6 points, then 3 points. So the front portion is same as the horse is running part. The back portion is different from that of the running. So let's concentrate on the back portion. Let's see how to draw the back portion. Straight to this 1 point. Then Just keep 1 point at this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square, connect it, connect as shown, connect. It's very easy. The back portion is very easy to draw. Just 2 rows and 4 columns. 2 cross 4. Just connect and draw as shown. It shows like the back portion, the horse lays down. Actually, the horse lay down just to get a small nap. Usually it sleeps while standing itself. Okay. Again, I am showing it is 2 rows, 4 columns, 2 cross 4 points. As you have seen the rows concept, just 2 rows, 4 columns, connect as shown. Then just keep 1 point just above the 4th point and draw the legs. So it's very, very easy. The back portion is very, very easy when the horse sit down on a floor or a grass. Just draw the tail part and the back portion, back hair part. It's done now. Let's color. Yeah. You put a grass. Just you can scribble using green color. Looks like grass. That's it. Just color as shown. It's very easy to draw horse. Just you have to see how the points are being used in a correct way. So if you are well versed in points, you can draw the animals, any animals. So we have seen the horse, how to draw a horse standing, how to draw a horse running fast, and how to draw the horse while it is taking a small nap. That is, it is lying down on the floor. You can see there is a gap between the grass and the tail part. The grass and the horse's leg part. While standing and while lying down, there is no gap, but while running, there is a gap. So that's the difference. Thank you.